Good morning, children. Very good. Can you match the letter? Where is letter M? Very good. Tiran, what letter is that? Show me. What letter is that? Very good. Can you match the letter? Very good, Tiran. Very good. Letter N. Can you match the letter N? Very good, Mahira. What letter is that, Amos? Very good. Can you match the letter? Yes, good. Very good. Letter R. Can you match the letter R? Yes, very good. Amos, M for? Very good. Where is the picture mushroom? Very good. Tiran. P for? Pizza. Where is the picture of pizza? Very good. Mahira. R for? Rainbow. Very good. Amos. O for? Yes, ostrich. Can you find the picture of ostrich? Very good. Tiran? Q for? Q for? Say quilt. Very good. Mahira, N for? Can you find the picture for N? N for? Net. Say net. Very good.